Our impact's very different from California's, right? We are dealing with winter weather alerts, a winter storm warning now that's issued for Dallas, Tarrant, Wise County towards the Red River. And this is going to go into effect 6 a.m. Thursday through noon on Friday. The blue that you see there, winter storm watch, also in place beginning tonight through Friday. And this is for less amounts of accumulation. So the pink there, the warning, that's for higher amounts of accumulation. And here is specifically your WFA weather alert time frame. Thursday morning through Friday morning, the impact is going to be the accumulation. A combination of snow and sleet, 2 to 4 inches, with ice coating to 1/10 of an inch. You need to prepare for hazardous travel. Slick roads, bridges, overpasses are looking more and more likely. You got to pay attention to the forecast, because if you have been paying attention, those quantities have changed. Here's what we're thinking right now. Coating to 1/10 of an inch of ice, and this does include I-20 and also includes DFW. Now, this is not going to be something that happens first or happens last. This is going to be mixed in with the other winter precip, which happens to be a combination of rain, snow, and sleet. For areas south of DFW, we could be seeing some rain mixing in with snow and sleet. Accumulations of snow and sleet, though, dusting to 1 inch. Areas north of Interstate 20, roughly between 2 and 4 inches of accumulation. And this is also of snow and sleet. And then we're looking at mainly snow for areas closer to the Red River, 4 to 5 inches looking likely. Most of this happening Thursday and then exiting on Friday. And that's exactly what this timeline is showing you here. I'm going to take you to midnight tonight. Still dry mostly. We start to see a few little flurries in far western North Texas. This is around 5 in the morning. Still no major accumulations, but that is closing in on the I-35 corridor. Between 5 and 9 in the morning, that's when we start to see higher coverage, rain mostly across DFW. I think we do start out with some rain mixing in with sleet in the morning, snow for our northwestern counties, and then eventually those temperatures are going to hover around 32 degrees. That's going to cause a transition between rain and sleet to sleet and rain. Excuse me, sleet and snow for our areas in the Metroplex, snow for areas north. And that trend does continue through the afternoon. Look at this. That's 6 now. This band of heavy snow too will be possible for our northern counties. That's why the amounts are higher up north. After sunset, temperatures drop. We'll start to see more of a snow transition. It transitions from sleet and snow to more snow for areas in the Metroplex. This is at closer to midnight going into Friday. Friday morning could still see some wraparound moisture in the form of some flurries, and then it starts to dry out. Friday. Right now, it looks like it stays cloudy, so it'll be difficult for some of these temperatures to climb. But I do think that we do make it to above freezing by around noon on Friday. I'm showing you this right now. Radar is showing some flurries out there, but our surface air is too dry. So anything that's falling is actually evaporating before it actually reaches the ground. And that area of low pressure that I was telling you about that's causing those high winds, there it is right there. Eventually it tracks towards Texas, and that's what causes our winter weather potential. As far as our highs go, well, we are going to stay in the mid to low 30s on Thursday, but we do eventually climb to the upper 40s, sunshine, dry, and much better over the weekend.